Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to check if all elements in a collection have a specific property with a truthy value using JavaScript. Let's get started. In JavaScript, values like 0, null, undefined, false, and blank are considered falsy. We leverage this knowledge to check if a specified property is truthy for all elements. The function uses every to iterate over the collection and check if the given property exists and is truthy in each object. If all elements meet the condition, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. First, we iterate through the collection using the every method. We check if the property exists and if it has a truthy value. If all objects meet the condition, the function returns true. The first example returns true since all objects have active true. The second example returns false because one object has active false. The last case fails because one object lacks the age property. This technique is useful in validation processes, ensuring all data entries meet a specific requirement before proceeding. In summary, this simple yet powerful function allows us to validate data in various real-world applications. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.